I do think it's time to upgrade my camera for my 3D printer to this. Stay. Very good. Very good, very good. Connect your Elgato camera. No! Need to be USB 3, okay. How come I don't see anything? Take the lens cap off and things work. Ooh, that's a mighty fine picture. We're gonna tweak it a little bit. All right, I've gone through the Camlink software, got about, played around a little bit. I'm probably gonna adjust it again. 190 shutter speed and 1000 ISO. A little bit adjustment to the contrast, not a lot. And no noise reduction right now, but we're gonna be tweaking this as we see fit. Right now it's looking really good and much better than what I had before. So now I'm just gonna save this profile to the device so I don't have to worry about it again. And it wouldn't let me save it because I need to update my firmware. My firmware is not the latest, so let's go ahead and knock that out. I'm nervous. Firmware upgrade available. 4.09 is available. Update. Restarting device. It will be ready to use soon. Firmware upgrade successful. Nice, we're on 4.09. All right, let's put these settings back in. Gonna take the exposure off of automatic. We're gonna go 190 and 1000 ISO again. I think I made the contrast 40%. Everything looks good. And then now we'll save. Oh, that's nice. It's now saved. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and use this camera for our Video Ninja push to OBS. And I'm just gonna say no audio because we don't need to hear the 3D printing ASMR for this particular thing. And the video source successfully detected the Elgato virtual camera. And we're gonna start it. And now this feed is available through Video Ninja in OBS, and I can do whatever I want from my OBS on my streaming computer. Okay, now here's the scene over on my OBS, and I also have a vertical scene for those vertical videos that you love to watch so much. So yeah, the video quality is not as good as it could be because I'm going across NDI to do this. Well, I'm going across the network to do this, but I am going to do some local recordings on my laptop from in there, and it'll be full-blown 1080p crispness. And I think I'm probably going to opt to do that for my time lapses. So yeah. Should be fun.